Let me show you what to do if you actually want to replace your motors on your drone. By the way, this drone actually comes under a few different names, but again, it's really identical drone, just some sellers listed under different model numbers with different boxes. And also, by the way, if you also need basically motors or propellers, basically in the description I'll leave links where you can get them on AliExpress for literally only a couple of bucks, so if you need to change them. Also, if you maybe are looking to purchase a new drone, I'll leave extra special discount link where you can get this drone for literally only a bit over $10, which is absolutely awesome. That also is with free shipping on AliExpress. So again, if you want to get it for this price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. So first, basically, we actually have to remove the motor basically from the housing. First, simply let's remove this like propeller. So we're simply going to take our fingers and simply wiggle it off. Inside the box you also have this tool which we can use, but again, it's not really needed. Then on the basically the motor housing over here, you see you have these clips over here. So one clip over here. If I flip it over, yeah, basically you can see you have these clips over here, and we simply need to unclip them. So simply take your fingers and literally, like you see, undo them. Okay. Then you see this thing pops off. And then what we can do is we can take a small screwdriver over here. You see you have tiny space over here. We can jam it inside and help push out the motor. So you see how the motor actually comes out. Okay, then you see this is actually what it looks like. So yeah, this is actually what the motor looks like. So, and to actually replace the motor, as you see, there isn't any like real way how to maybe like solder it back. So you would probably actually need to open up the drone. So you can maybe position it like this for now, and then we would simply need to unscrew all these screws over here. So you see you have a bunch of screws over here. And once you unscrew everything over here, so we would first take our head, so, and simply like push it off like this, and you see we can easily push it basically, okay, a bit down. So essentially, so it's probably a bit tricky, so maybe leave it like this, so we can actually lift up basically this like lid. Then you see basically the drone simply detaches. So when you actually take it apart, there is a tiny bit of glue basically that sometimes hold it inside, and simply like wiggle all around basically to open up the case basically. So be very gentle. As you see, these lids are very tiny, so again you have to be very gentle here, and then simply we can lift this up. So I already opened it up basically before this video, so it's a bit easier. And also as you see, we actually probably can't even remove this top cover properly, because as you see you have these things soldered on a bit. So what I would do is simply maybe leave this top part like this, so hanging around, and then you see basically, so from these propellers and motors, you see you have these tiny leads coming, and they simply are soldered onto the motherboard. So you would simply like trace back which lead actually corresponds to which motor over here, and see you would have to actually unsolder these to be able to solder back in new. So again, there aren't any clips on some other drones. I see there are a bunch of clips that you can simply clip in and out, but on this one again we actually have to get a soldering iron and simply unsolder these, and basically then put in the new motor and solder that in, essentially, as you see. So the overall build quality is very simple actually on this drone. So maybe let's try to put everything back together. Push in your leads in their correct places. Again, when you put everything back together, be very gentle, because these leads are basically very fragile probably. Okay, and once we have more or less everything put together, we can take our head and slide it back on. So it simply slides in like this. Okay, and then using the clip, it simply like clips inside. And then let's put all the screws back in and screw it down Okay, I have put everything back together. Let's turn it on and see if everything is okay. Yep, everything seems to be great. And again, if you actually need parts for these drones, so the motors and also propellers, simply check out the links in the description. I will include AliExpress listings where you can get them for the cheapest price. Again, also if you want to maybe purchase a new drone, again on AliExpress, if you follow the special discount links in the description, you can pick up on only for a bit over $10. And again, that is with free shipping at this price. I think it's absolutely insanely cool drone. Again, very stable in air, very durable. So yeah, pretty cool drone over here. Anyway, good luck.